Silver is going to be a mom soon. And gold too. They are both so happy to see each other. Or not. I can't stand her. I want to be the most beautiful girl at the party. And now I'll do my hair. Some gold shine will be good for you. I just have to refresh my makeup. What? It's gold! A mermaid photo shoot is a great idea. Here's the studio. Silver? Gold? What are you doing here? What are you doing? You stole my mermaid idea. Stop fighting, please. I have an awesome idea. 2 mermaids are better than 1. Smile and look into the camera. Move! I'll be the star of this photo shoot. And this silver pacifier will help me. Cut a circle out of styrofoam. Polish it with sandpaper. Make a hole in a tape roll. Put hot glue sticks in a clear tube so it's less flexible. Fasten the ends of the tube in the roll holes. Attach to the circle. Cover the roll with foam paper. Attach a plastic vase to the other side of the circle. Paint the whole piece silver. Whoa! Great move! I like it! I came prepared too! Here are my props! Whoa! Wonderful! Cut a piece out of styrofoam. Shape a pregnancy test. Polish it with sandpaper. Shape a hollow with a router. Paint it gold. Glue 2 strips of glitter foam paper into the hole. Add words. Come on! A pregnancy test? My prop is way cooler! No way! Oh yeah! Don't ruin our photo shoot! Doctor, I'm here for my ultrasound. So let's begin. How's my baby doing? What? A gold bar? Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. Here, I'm ready to give my expert judgment. Beautiful! Wonderful! Here's your certificate. Pure gold! Congrats! Thanks! Put the scales here! Thanks! Now go! Oh! Silver wants to know her weight! I'll help her! Phew! Nice landing! Let's see! Let's make you a bit heavier! What? Why so much? It's my turn! Oh no! I feel kinda sick! When will you know the gender? Soon! Bestie, I have a surprise for you! And I'm taking this balloon away! Now! Fine! Are you ready? Wow! Yay! What? Silver confetti? But how? That was fun! It's silver again! The map says the treasure is very close. Here's the mark. Hey, anybody here? Who is it? Any ideas? No, let's open it. Whoa, hi, who are you? I came to get the treasure. It's on the map. Wow, here's the treasure. Gold and silver. Hands off. Get out of here! That was so rude! I know! Wow! My hands! They turned into treasure! Oh yeah! I found it! Do you like this stroller? No! What about this one? Not really! I'll be right back! Here, look at this beautiful one! Wow! Amazing! My dream bow! Bow? What about the stroller? It won't do! Here, look! I picked this! How about this then? No! Only silver! All these strollers aren't right! Oh yeah! Here it is! Gold! That delivery was so fast! Here's your order. Have a nice day. That's a small box. I wonder what's inside. It's a gold stroller, but it's a mini version. What do I do with it? What a cute toy! Hi, how can I help you? I'm looking for something to help my baby sleep. I have a great suggestion. A baby mobile. Coat a wooden base with gold paint. Screw hooks into plastic gold bars. Pass a gold rope. Tie it to the base. Decorate it with gold cardboard stars. Whoa! That's beautiful! Your baby will fall asleep fast. I love it! I can tell that it works. I'll take it. When will our waiter come? I'll start with tea. My baby's thirsty. Ew! It's not sweet at all. I can't drink it. Ew. I need gold sugar. Wow! That looks impressive. Add edible pearl dust to sugar. Make a stick pack out of gold decorative paper. Attach a printed name. Glue one edge. Put in the sugar. Glue the other edge. Shape the signature pattern on the sides. Can I try it too? It tastes nice. Oh, your teeth are all gold. Whoops! Let's take the elevator. Excuse me, could you move? Flowers! We should have taken the stairs. It's so windy outside. My lips are chapped. I need my lip balm. Whoa! Fasten the EOS grid on the case cap. Melt lip balm. Add makeup glitter. Pour it into the case. Close and let it harden. Decorate the case with rhinestones. Sprinkle it with glitter. I want to try it! Here! So? Oh! What's going on? Ew! Your lip balm melted! Sorry, I didn't mean to! I saw that coming! Smells nice! Hi! Which hand? No way! I'm not falling for that! Fine! This one! Ta-da! This is a truce cake! Thanks! But it's silver! Hold on! I'll show you! Cut a hole in a round sponge cake using a pastry ring. Coat another sponge cake layer with cream icing. Put layers with holes on top. Coat each layer with icing. Put gold puffed rice inside. Add a layer of icing and cover with another sponge cake. Coat the entire cake with icing. Roll out some fondant. Wrap the cake. Apply a layer of silver edible glitter. Decorate it with silver sprinkles. Here! Whoa! Gold filling! That's so cute! I knew you were gonna like it! Enjoy! You get the center, and I get the rest! Friends again? Of course! And our babies are friends too! That's so great! Did Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us who you liked the most, silver or gold. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom Troom.